Welcome to Maths class. Myself Dheeraj Manocha, teaching you determinants. Dear friends, you already know about the matrices and types of matrices. Just recall the square matrix. The matrix in which the number of rows equal to the number of columns, that is called the square matrix. And the concept of determinant, that is only defined on the square matrix. For every square matrix, there exists a number that may be real or complex, that is called the determinant of the matrix. So here we are taking the square matrix as one of the example here. Suppose we have a square matrix of order 2, 2 minus 3, 4, 5. The determinant of this square matrix, that may be a number. The determinants that can be indicated between the bars. The determinant of the matrix A, that is read as determinant of A, and that can be indicated as determinant of 2 minus 3, 4, 5. And we want to find out the determinant of this square matrix of order 2 by cross multiplying 2 into 5 and minus 4 into minus 3. First we multiply diagonal entries 2 into 5 minus 4 into minus 3. 2 into 5, that is equal to 10. 4 into minus 3 minus 12, and minus 12 multiply this minus sign, that become plus 12. So determinant of this matrix is 22. That means determinant of this matrix, that is equal to 22. So what we analyze here, for every square matrix there exists a determinant. The determinant is the number. For finding the determinant of every matrix, every square matrix, for example here, suppose we want to find out the determinant of order 1 square matrix. We have taken the matrix as simple A, that is 1 cross 1 square matrix. The determinant of this 1 cross 1 matrix, that means order 1 matrix, that is the element itself, that we say. Now order 2 matrix, how to find out the determinant of this? Suppose we have order 2 matrix as A, B, C, D. The determinant of this order 2 matrix, that is AD, A into D minus B into C, that is AD minus BC. Similarly, for order 3, we have to expand the matrix along its row or column. There are 6 ways of finding the determinant of matrix 3. We are taking one of the example of order 3 matrix, that is the general matrix we have taken. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and we are finding the determinant of this 3 cross 3 matrix, that means order 3 square matrix. So that can be expanded along any row or columns. There are 6 ways of expansion of this determinants. We are expanding along the first column here. First column I have in the entries A11, A21, A31. So whenever we want to expand, we have to Expanding along the column 1. A11 multiply by the eliminating this row and this column by the determinant order 2 determinants. That is A11 can be multiplied by A22, A23, A32, A33. Second entry is here, that is the negative entry because of the 2 and 1. So that is minus A21 multiplied by eliminating this row and this column. So A12, A13, A32 and A33. A12, A13, A32, A33. And third entry, that is A31, again that is 3 plus 1 4, that means the sign is positive here. A31, now eliminate this column and this row, that multiply by A12, A13, A22 and A23. Now expanding these, we get the result here. A11 multiply by A22, A33 minus A23, A32 minus A21 multiply by A12, A33 minus A13, A32 and plus A31 multiply by A12, A23 minus A13, A22. In this way, we find the determinant of any square matrix expanding along its rows and columns. In the next class, we shall discuss the properties of determinants.